This 2026 Palomino Puma 402 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Palomino Puma 402 LFT is 11,849 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.